Healthy Body, a practical guide to body care.
This work shows us the extraordinary worth of the human body, explaining the function of each part and organ, and offering valuable advice for keeping it healthy and in shape based on the most up-to-date research. This is a compendium of preventative medicine, written for those who wish to take care of their bodies. A veritable maintenance manual for the most complex and efficient machine of all.
Once again, Dr. Pamplona Roger, physician and surgeon and renowned author of a variety of books and encyclopedias, shares his broad experience as an educator and communicator through this more than 330-page volume, which is filled with educational and instructional explanations and advice.
The book begins with an introduction about body and health, where the different levels of the body's organization are explained, along with how they affect clothing and footwear choices, appropriate levels of hygiene, and how to prevent sexual abuse and other attacks on the body.
Next, an entire chapter is dedicated to each part of the body, beginning with the head, from the scalp and the brain to the lower limbs and feet, including all the sensory organs, the main organs of the trunk and abdomen, and the male and female genitalia.
The author communicates the information in a simple, appealing manner for the reader, turning what would typically be difficult to explain and understand into something enjoyable. For this purpose, each chapter has a common structure that makes concepts quicker and easier to understand, and guiding us step by step in the care and treatment needed by each part of the body.
Each chapter begins with an overview of the most significant characteristics of the body part described, along with a table of facts and figures about its particular qualities.
Next, the anatomy and physiology are illustrated by superb, highly detailed graphics that help us identify all the parts of each organ or system, along with a list of the chapter contents, identifying the topics described in the chapter.
Then, several sections explain the specific caring for that body part, as well as the natural treatments for prevention of the most common disorders and diseases. Guidelines are also provided for detecting the symptoms that something is not right in our bodies, and also when do we have reasons to see a doctor.
Lastly, the foods that promote the health of the body part are listed, along with a description of their elements and the foods that contain them, as well as numerous beauty tips and practical applications for their care in everyday life.
As we can appreciate, this presentation of the knowledge and information as applied to each and every part of the human body make this book an invaluable learning tool and timeless reference.
Healthy Body shows us the immense worth of the human body as creation's masterpiece, and encourages us to care for it and respect it, because a human being does not just have a body, but instead is a body.